Before installing any accessories, ensure the snowmobile is parked on a flat level surface and remove the key. To install the low windshield on your Matrix snowmobile, follow these steps. Begin by pulling the windshield retainers straight out firmly on the top and working towards the middle until the windshield is free. Continue by placing the new windshield into position, ensuring the mounting tabs align with the grommets on the hood. Spraying the grommets with soapy water may help with installation. Lastly, firmly press in on all tabs, working front to back to ensure the windshield is secured. To install the tall windshield on your Matrix snowmobile, follow these steps. Begin by pulling the low windshield retainers straight out firmly on the top and working towards the middle until the windshield is free.
That'll work.
Next, carefully pry out the side mount caps from the hood on each side of the sled. Continue by installing the low windshield onto the tall windshield, ensuring the molded stems fully protrude through the slots in the windshield. Then, secure by installing the supplied retainers until they reach the bottom of the stem. Before continuing, double-check to ensure the retainers are fully seated. Next, install the supplied rubber grommets into the mounting location where the rubber plugs were previously removed from on each side of the sled. Spraying the grommets with soapy water may help with installation. Continue by placing the windshield into position, ensuring the mounting tabs align with the mounting slots on the hood. Lastly, firmly press in on all tabs, firmly working front to back to ensure the windshield is secured. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.